Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with another insane video! Yeah! Woo! Time to make some money, and I mean big money. I'm talking $184,000 in 1 month on crack revenue. Let me show you how it's done. Benjamin, take it away. Woo!
Ever share this type of stuff here. And let me just refresh the screen right quick. As you can see, everything's still the same. And I just want to say, guys, this is adult marketing. I never talk about this stuff. This is very, very, very below and behind the scene type stuff that I never cover. You can make literally millions with this industry very fast. If you think about Facebook ads, there's millionaires created. But with adult marketing, there's way more millionaires that can be created with this. And I'm scaling things very big right now. Basically what I do is I run very, very smart affiliate campaigns. And I build this for people as well, but I do this on my own. And I build these super, like, brilliant, okay, may I just say brilliant campaigns. And they're smart campaigns, which means basically every detail is thought about.
Hey listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean anyone. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!